Imagine waking up every day surrounded by the serenity and beauty of nature, right within your own home. Hi everyone, welcome back to Visionary Designs. If you love nature and want to bring its calming presence into your living space, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's transform your home into a nature-inspired haven. Today, we're diving into biophilic design, a concept that integrates nature into our built environments. Biophilic design emphasizes natural light, greenery, and organic materials, creating spaces that promote well-being and harmony. Now, let's explore how you can apply these principles to every room in your home. Let's start with the living room. Imagine transforming this central space into a lush, green oasis. To embrace biophilic design here, incorporate large windows to maximize natural light. Use earthy tones and natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Adding plenty of indoor plants not only enhances the decor, but also improves air quality. For a bold statement, consider a living wall or vertical garden. Creating a space that feels like an extension of the great outdoors can truly enhance your everyday living experience. Next up is the kitchen. Think about how natural light and fresh herbs can make this space more vibrant and functional. Opt for sustainable, natural materials for your countertops and cabinets. A skylight or large windows can flood the space with sunlight, making it feel bright and open. Potted herbs on the windowsill are a great way to add greenery, while also providing fresh ingredients for your meals. These elements make your kitchen not only functional, but also a beautiful and healthy place to cook and gather. Your kitchen can become a hub of sustainability and well-being. Moving on to the dining room. How can you make mealtime more connected and calming? Choose a wooden dining table and chairs to bring in that earthy feel. Decorate with natural fiber rugs and centerpieces made from branches or fresh flowers. Ensure there's plenty of natural light and incorporate a few large plants to create a calming dining experience. This setting encourages more mindful eating and a deeper connection with the food you share with loved ones. Your dining room can become a serene place for family and friends to gather and enjoy meals together. Now, let's focus on the bedroom. A space designed for rest and rejuvenation. Use soft, natural fabrics like cotton and linen for your bedding. Place plants strategically to purify the air and bring in nature's calmness. Large windows with light, airy curtains can help you wake up to natural light, boosting your mood and energy levels. A nature-inspired bedroom promotes better sleep and overall well-being. Imagine starting and ending your day in a space that feels peaceful and refreshing. The bathroom is next. Ever thought your bathroom could be a personal spa? Use natural stone tiles and wooden elements to evoke a spa-like feel. Add moisture-loving plants like ferns or orchids, which thrive in the bathroom environment. If possible, install a large window or skylight to bathe the room in natural light. This creates a serene and rejuvenating space, perfect for starting and ending your day. A nature-infused bathroom can provide a refreshing and calming atmosphere every day. Finally, let's step outside. How can you make your outdoor space a natural retreat? Create outdoor living spaces that blend seamlessly with nature. Use comfortable, weather-resistant furniture, install a pergola covered with climbing plants, and surround your patio with a variety of greenery. Adding a water feature can further enhance the sense of tranquility and connection to nature. These outdoor spaces become extensions of your home, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Your backyard can be a peaceful retreat right outside your door. By integrating these biophilic design principles, you can transform your home into a sanctuary that nurtures both body and soul. Embrace the beauty of nature in every room and experience the profound impact it can have on your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite biophilic design tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching Visionary Designs, where we bring the beauty of nature into your home.